height. So half into base,
8.
that is 4 into 4. Yeah, 8. So they have given here only. That is true. So answer is true over here. Shriyanvi, Shriyanvi,
Yes, sir.
what happened? Why you are joining 5 minutes, 10 minutes late?
Sir, I came school late, sir.
Okay, okay. Children, because see, from the coaching side, I just got information that all of you should on the camera. So what you people are thinking? You will on the camera or not? Because I am not preferring that much, but what the instructions given from the coaching, that we need to follow, right? So what about you people?
Yeah, sir. Sure, sir. It's actually your wish. If you want, we can on a camera. Or
That's not my wish, but coaching of this one is like that only. We have to on the camera, then we have to teach like that. For that, again, I'm asking you people. Sai Charan, Satvik, Sriyanvi,
Okay.
all of you people can on the camera. Hmm? Thank you, children. Thank you. All right.
Sir, it's been more than 3 or 4 weeks if since I got a haircut. So if it's fine with me, if you're fine with me watching with
No
wild hair,
problem.
then
No problem. What
we
is there?
can.
What is there in haircut, man? You just on the camera. Akshit,
Sure, sir.
Satvik, and Sai Charan. Sai Charan, right?
Yeah, sir, from tomorrow I will on.
Why? What happened today?
Sir, means,
Hey, on the cameraman. On from
sir,
tomorrow from
I
today. What is the reason behind it?
nothing, sir.
I will not show on the you on the screen. Okay, I'll just minimize it on the camera. That's it. I'll not let you people on the screen.
Sir,
Okay.
means,
Yeah,
I think it may struck, sir, means,
you can
so
see
from tomorrow I will.
what is the problem, man. Sai Charan,
I'm thinking that it will struck, sir.
no problem. You on this
Means
on that, no problem.
it
Satvik,
is lagging. That's
no problem. You do that. Satvik,
1 minute.
hmm. See, Sriyanvi is so obedient. See, once if somebody will tell, see, and you people are, see, Akshit, you
Sir,
what you
I'm
are.
combing my hair.
This is not beautician class, man. Normally, you just be like something and all. I not comb only, I didn't comb my hair only every day. 1 year happened. I didn't comb my hair. By hand only, I'll do like this. That's
Sir,
it.
it's been 2 years for me, sir.
Okay, all right. I'm starting here. I'm just waiting for you.
Sure, sir. I'm nearly done.
Okay.
Sir, can you see me?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So third one is area of isosceles triangle. What is given here? 5 by 4 root 11 centimeter square. Area of isosceles triangle is 5 by 4 root 11 centimeter square. If the perimeter is 11 and the base is 5. So if you are having any triangle, so you can draw a triangle like this. So here see, base is given as 5 centimeter. This both sides are equal. You can find this both sides if perimeter is given. Shriyanvi, can we find the sides? Akshit, now I can't see you. Satvik, you're not on the camera, child. What happened? Satvik? Sai Charan, what happened? Shriyanvi, tell me, perimeter of
sir,
this perimeter of this triangle is 11.
One
If,
second, sir.
yeah, if this side is given to you, how to find the AB and AC? Can you tell me, Shriyanvi?
Sir, is it 3, sir? 3 centimeters.
Yeah, 3, 3, right? This is 3 and this is also 3. Because if we let here x plus 5 is equals to 11. So 2x is equals to 11 minus 5. So 2x is equals to 6. X is equal to 3. So 3 we are getting here, right? Then here you have to, if you find the area of this isosceles triangle, you should get 5 by 4 root 11. So children, you can find the area of this isosceles triangle. You can find the area of this isosceles triangle or not. See, if you put here one line over here, this is 90 degree. So you can divide into two parts. This is 2 by 5 and this is also 2 by 5. We can find height over here. So we can write here A, suppose this is D. So AD is equals to root over what we can write, Sai Charan, tell me. AD is equals to what we can write, root over Sai Charan.
Sir,
What we can write over here. AD is equals to what I can write by the help of this figure.
sir, sir, AD is equals to BC minus, oh no, BD minus DC, sir. No, no, no.
I'm applying Pythagoras theorem. I'm applying Pythagoras theorem in triangle ADC. AD is equals to what we can write. We are applying Pythagoras theorem in triangle
Yeah, sir.
ADC.
Means AP square
AD is equals to
3
ACS square minus
square minus
BC
BD
square,
square, sir.
not BD, DC square. So we can write here 3 square minus 2 by,
Yes, sir.
this is not 2 by 5, this is 5 by 2. This one is 5 by 2.
Sir, but DC,
This is 5 by 2, this is also 5 by 2.
DC and BD are same.
Yeah, same only, yes.
Yes, sir, but I have a doubt, sir.
What?
Instead of DC, we can keep BD square.
Yeah, you can write, no problem. But we are using triangle ADC.
Instead of DC square, sir, we can keep BD square, sir.
But we are using this triangle, no?
Okay.
Any one triangle you can use, no problem.
Yes, sir.
So 9 minus 25 by 4. So we'll get here 36 minus 25 divided by 4. So what do you get? 9 by 4 over here, right? What you get here? 9 by 4, correct? Root over 9 by 4. 9 by 4, 11 by 4. Root 11 divided by 2. We can write like this, children. Did you understood this much or not? Satvik, Sai Charan, Shriyanvi, Akshit.
Understood.
Understood, sir.
4 I have
Understood,
written 2. 4 I have written as 2. Okay. 4 I have written as 2. So this is your height. Now what is the area of isosceles triangle? We can write half base into height. So half base is 5 and height is root over 11 by 2. So answer is 5 root 11 divided by 4 centimeter square. This is your answer. So this solution is true. This all we have read in the basic concept, right, children? So next question. All of you find question number 4. All of you find question number 4. Satvik. Satvik,
Yes, sir.
what is the area of equilateral triangle? Area of
Equilateral triangle.
yeah, equilateral triangle. I told you the shortcut method on that day, right? Shriyanvi, did you remember? Area of equilateral triangle is root 3 by 4 a square, right? So what you have to find, area of equilateral triangle is this much. If side is 8, so put here side value, the root 3 by 4 and side is 8, so 8 into 8. So 4 to the 8, 16 root 3 centimeter square. So this should be 16. So this answer is what? False. Okay. Answer is false. Actual answer is what? Actual answer should be what? 16 root 3 centimeter square. Is it clear? All of you are getting the same answer?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sir.
All right, fine. So I'm going to move to the next topic, means next of this chapter on this is NCERT example sums. Next we'll do 12.3. Hey, why it's not selecting? From starting it's happening. We can't go from down to top. Why we are not going up here? 1, 2, 3. Boom, boom, boom. Example. Sort pages. You can't able to do it. What is this? If I'm telling 12, then also this is coming only. Why is it this? What is this? 10 CBC also is coming same. Why it's coming same only? 1 minute, I just close and again come back. See question number 12 point exercise 12.3 question number 1. See find the cost of laying grass in a triangular field of side 50, 65 and 65 meter at the rate of 7 per meter square. Find the cost of laying grass, children. Who cannot find this? Let me know. So here they have given 65, 65 and 50. So this is isosceles triangle. Either you can do by Heron's formula directly, or you can do by half base into height also, as you wish. So why to
Yeah,
find
but
this?
they haven't given that it's an isosceles or a equilateral triangle, right? To use half base into height.
But here 65, 65 is there, no? The two
Oh,
sides are
yeah.
equal.
Isosceles. Okay.
So you can use here, you can just either you can do by half base into height, or directly you can do by s minus a s minus b s minus. That is better. Only one formula use.
Yeah, but half base into height will be easier, right? Like it'll be faster. It'll be done faster.
But you will find height no anyway. Height will find, then again half base into height. Two formulas you should use in that also. Anyway, which you are feeling easy, you are feeling easy that one, you do that only, no problem. So as per my this thing, it's coming this one, s is equals to what? A plus b plus c divide by 2. So 65 plus 65 plus 50 divide by 2, 130, 180 by 2, that is 90 meters. A is equals to 65 meters, B is equals to again 65 meters, C is equals to 50 meters. So we can write it here as area is equals to S into S minus A, S minus B. Satvik, did you remember this formula?
Yes, sir. I know, sir.
Simply we have to put the values here. That is 90 into 90 minus 65. Again 90 minus 65. Again 90 minus 50. This is the root of this. Again we can write 90 into 25 into 25 into 40. So after this, what to do? All of you find the square root of this. We are getting here 25 and 25. So no need to change this one because we got one pair directly, right?
It's a 90 into 25 into 40. Or sir, you can 30 into 30 into 30, 25 into 25,
Yeah, 30 to
20
30.
into 20.
Yeah, 30 into 30 also you can write. That's good.
Sir, we can write it as 25 into 4 into 5 into 3, sir.
What we can write?
It's
20, 25 into
4 into 5 into 3, sir. Means
how?
not in square, out from the square.
See, acha, 30 into, see, we can write in this way.
So 90 we can write as 10 into 9, sir. So 10 we can write 5 into 2, 9 as 3 into 3, 5.
Yeah,
5 square and 40 as 4 into 10, sir. 2 into 2 and 5 into
2 into 2 and 5 into 10. Anything you can write, children. Any short form, which one you are using, that you can write. See here 10 and 10 is coming, right here 10. 3 and 3 is coming common, right 3. 25, 25 is coming, right 25. 2 and 2 is coming, right 2. That's it. So 25 into 2, 50, 50, 500, 1500. So 1500 what? Meter square. This is the area, children. They're asking cost of laying grass. Now you can write here cost of laying grass. Laying, not glass, it's grass. That is equals to 1500 multiply by 7. So 15 sevens are 105 00 rupees. This is what? Rupees. And now in different style we are writing, right? Rupees now, like ra. Huh? Like this only we are writing, no?
Yes, sir.
Rupees. This, when this style came?
Modern era.
This design they paid around some, how much billion, I think, I don't know. For this design.
They
who
paid
just-
lots of money, sir, to get that design as rupees.
Hmm.
It was actually not an Indian symbol as well. It was Taiwanese or it was Japanese, some kind of symbol.
Okay, okay. Ra is the some Sanskrit word or Hindi word. Lucky. Rupee. Okay. Any doubt? Satvik, Shreyanvi, Akshit, Sai Charan.
No, sir.
Okay.
No doubt, sir.
Next is triangular side walls of a flyover used for advertisement. So flyover we have already, we know that is a triangular flyover is there. No, triangular side of the flyover. Walls is of triangular side wall of the flyover. So on the flyover, if you can see the triangular walls, no, suppose here is a flyover like this. You can see the triangular wall like this, okay? So on the flyover triangular wall have been used for advertisement. We are just mentioning one triangle, we're just mentioning triangular wall. We don't know however it is. The side of the walls are 13, 14, 15. It's not 90-degree, children. Simply I have drawn here. The advertisement yield an earning of rupees 2000 per meter square a year. Per meter square means area. Means 1 meter square cost. 1 meter square cost how much? Rupees 2000. Okay. 1 meter cost how much? Rupees 2000 per meter square. This is for year, per year. But the company hired one of its wall for 6 months. But company hired for how many months? Company hired for 6 months. Okay. So for 1 year, how much answer you get? No, that you should divide by 2 because they ask only for how much? 6 months. So first of all of you find the area of this triangle. Area of triangle you find, all of you. I want answer from whom? The Satvik. I want answer from you. What is the
Yes.
area? What is the area of this triangle? On your screen, children, you can see all of your photos, or only the my screen you are seeing. You can screen on your screen. What you can see? Only question or
only
complete?
the
So we can see, I can see everything. I can see you. I can see the I can see everybody else and the screen you're
You
presenting.
can't see me, no. Now you can see me. Because I should be also on my camera, right?
Yes, sir.
But here, yeah, now you can see me, right?
Yes, sir. You can see now.
So now area of triangle is, you can see ABC, you can find S is equals to 13 plus 14 plus 15 divide by 2. So you'll get 41 by 2, 42 by 2, that is 21 meters, right? 21 meters. So ABC is already given here. A is 13, B is 14, and C is 15. So we can write here root over S, that is S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So we can write here S is 21, 21 minus 13, 21 minus 14, 21 minus 15. So we can write again 21, 21 minus 13, 7, 8, right? 8. Again 7, and here is 6. Again for 21 we can write it as 7 into 3. For 8 we can write 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 into 3 into 2. So 7 and 7 we take it out, 7. 3 and 3 we take it out into 3. 2 and 2 we take it out 2. Again 2 and 2 we take it out 2. 7 3s are 21, 42, 84. 84 meters square is the area. All of you are getting it, 84 meters square. Satvik, you are getting it or not?
Yes, sir. So first I didn't get and I made a mistake. Now I got it.
All right. Now cost for 6 months, cost for company, C2C. Cost to company. You heard? C2C. Cost to company for 6 months. For 6 months, we can write it as 84 multiply by what? Rupees of advertisement for 1 year. Divide by what? 2 we can do, divide by 2. Why we are dividing by 2? You know, children? We are dividing by 2.
So because it's 6
You have
months.
to find the S.
Yeah. If they ask for 2 months, then what you should do, children? If they ask for 2 months, then what you should do?
So 1 by 4.
1 by 4 is
1 by
what?
6. 1 by 6, sir.
Yeah, 1 by 6. If they ask for how much? 5 months, then? If they ask for 5 months, then?
Would you
2.5.
times,
Huh?
how do you do it?
2.5.
What 5? Here
Five.
see, 12 months, right? Some charges there, X, right? Some charges there. So for 1, what we can write? X by 12 we can write. Here we are asking for 6 months. So we are writing here X divided by 12 into 6, right, children? So better main method you just try to understand. Don't write here divide by 2, divide by 3. Main just go with the basic method. If you are writing here divide by 12, first you write divide by 12 and multiply by 6 you can write. This is a better way. And whatever 1 month you want, write here divide by 12. If you want 5 months, divide by 5. If you want 7 months, you multiply by 7. Understood? Means first we find for 1 month and how many months we require, you just multiply by that. That is the easier method. So we are not learning only for 6 months, 3 months or 4 months like that. We are learning the basic concept. If they ask for 20 months also, just multiply by 20. If they ask for 48 months also, we can write simply we multiply by 3. Better, no? Understood why you're divided by 2. Now here 6 is coming. So 6 2s are 12. In that way, we are solving here. What is this? Sometimes stopped working only. So what is the answer for this calculated children for 6 months? What is the answer you are getting?
Hello, sir.
Hmm.
Wait, is it how much money it is?
Yeah. Cost to company for 6 months. How much money company have to pay for 6 months?
Sir,
I
84.
got 84,000, sir.
I
84,000.
got 84,000 as well.
For 1 year, how much they are charging? For 1 year,
2,000.
2,000. Yeah, then it's 84,000 only. Yes. So you can write here 84 multiply by 2,000 divide by 12 into 6. So 6 2s are 12, 2,000. That is your 84,000. So we got the answer. I just erase here. What is this? Satvik, you understood the question? Satvik?
Yes, sir. I understood.
Now we are moving to the next sum. See, we are again you join. It's going to finish now. This meeting is going to be over now. Okay.